It tastes like home.
And it's very hearty.
Oh, so good, man. It's still very hungry. Cheers.
Yes.
Oh, what happened? They're closed.
I'm so sorry.
You didn't double check? Ah, we're hungry. Hey guys, I'm Jeremy. I'm half Taiwanese, half Korean. I'm a big foodie. I've always been a big foodie. Grew up in this restaurant, Hongbogak, learning from their head chef, Lu Qinglai, which is my dad. I love coming to Taiwan. Every time I'm back, I make it a goal for myself to find new, amazing restaurants that hit the spot. This time, I decided to get some of Taiwan's best chefs to recommend their local dishes to me.
The guest chef has 1,000 new Taiwanese dollar budget for the entire day. The guest chef will have to recommend 4 dishes within this budget. If the total cost exceeds the budget, the guest chef will be responsible for the remaining balance.
Hey, 谢谢.
Hey chef, hey hi, how's it going?
Morning.
Hey, how are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, we came to get some fruits?
Yeah. I'm getting for one of my new menu, pineapple.
Pineapple.
Hi everyone, I'm Nick. I'm chef owner of FirePlay Taipei. I'm from Singapore. I've been to Japan, Hong Kong, Australia to learn more about wood fire cooking to further enhance my knowledge about this special technique. I would like my customer to taste my diverse knowledge about different flavors instead of just being a distinct French or Italian or very Asian. But I like to share with them my knowledge about my usage of spices, flavors and texture. 老板娘，那个凤梨帮我挑一颗比较熟一点。100吗？谢谢。
Nice. You want me to need a hand?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. So we'll go to a place, the porridge place. So normally we get the seed first, then we'll go and take the food. So this is ask for porridge.
Oh, the congee.
You want it's like a buffet.
It's like a buffet.
It's a buffet. So
Is that like your to-go side dishes? Like
yeah. Oh, I always eat the same thing. So we just take the vegetable, then they'll set us a congee separate.
oh, they'll bring those
in a bowl.
Oh, the bowl. Okay. Let's go. Wow. Oh, wow. Very local. Okay.
We have this in Korea. This is a very local Taiwanese plastic holder.
Plastic holder. I don't think we have it in Korea. 谢谢你。So 我们是多少钱
120，你的80，
我的80。
好，谢谢。好，谢谢。It's very local, Taiwanese style.
What is my favorite place? This area. Like normally I come here before the market or after I go to the market and get a quick breakfast before I go back to the restaurant and start my work.
Okay. And why did you pick this dish?
冷粥, they call it 冷粥 in Taiwan. Yeah. So I personally like cold porridge. This is one of my favorite protein like eggs, meat, French bean, the local bitter gourd and the local meat. This reminds me of my childhood memories. When I was younger, I used to stay over at my grandma's house for the weekend.
Oh, grandma house.
So every morning she'll cook the leftover from last night, the rice. She'll make into a congee. When we are young, we don't eat very hot stuff.
You don't eat hot congee?
Yeah. So they'll make it, add more water to make it easier for us to eat. So she'll braise all the meat, the leftover, and make it easier for us to have for breakfast.
Okay.
Right, room temperature, and with the salty food.
I noticed in Taiwan, people eat congee 24 hours. For example, breakfast, afternoon.
After drinks, after party, you need to wake up.
Two Singaporean people usually eat this in
Yes, we also have a lot of midnight places selling cold porridge.
But you guys eat in the breakfast too?
Also breakfast. This is the all day thing.
All day thing?
Yeah, because Singapore is generally very hot throughout the year.
Exactly.
So it's easier to have a cold porridge. So it's a very common food everywhere.
Okay.
So you have this style of food in Korea?
We have something similar, but the way we're eating it is a little different. We usually eat it when we're sick, like when we don't feel well.
Yeah.
Other than that, we don't usually eat congee.
Okay.
Yeah. You spent 80 new Taiwanese dollars on this.
Yeah.
We still have 3 more restaurants to go. Are you ready? You think we have enough fun?
Sure, a lot left over.
Is that the reason you picked market? Relatively cheaper.
No, it's relatively cheaper this way. We can eat a lot of small food.
But you know I'm a big guy.
Yeah, no
I have to
problem.
eat a lot.
I'll feed you.
Whoa. 你很饿吗？因为这样子开一股开胃。I'm very excited. Yeah, let's go.
So, how's breakfast just now?
I really like the egg because it's something that I've never heard before. And what was your favorite?
Mine is the pork torta.
Oh, the
Torta, yeah.
Ah, you didn't give me any cookies.
Really?
Yeah.
I bring you back now. So we are going to the next one. It's a bakery I worked with for the past 6 years. It's just a 5 minutes walk from a restaurant. So they got different type of Japanese bakery, pastry, French, European. They got a Halloween theme pastry,
Halloween theme.
croissant, a Danish pastry.
Uh-huh.
So it's a European, a mix of European. I get my bread for my restaurant every day. So in the meantime, I'll get some pastry just to fill my stomach.
我们可以点一个肉松。
还有一个花生。This is like a Japanese 这个明太子是吧？对啊，我一个蛋挞。One of their signature pastry, so it's not that sweet, very nice balance.
这个跟这个两个是同对，
总共是225元。
225元。
对，225。
哦
Bargain.
Was this part of the plan?
Yeah, just to
You
keep
knew
inside
it.
the budget. How expensive can bread be?
Exactly. 225 for the bread. Okay.
So let's see what we got.
Have you
Yeah.
ever tried this one before?
Yes, Taiwan is famous for their pork.
Okay.
And this is the peanut.
Yeah.
Japanese mentaiko, a Japanese flavor with sesame. And the egg tart is one of their signature.
Okay, I'm gonna have a bite
Yeah.
first. Oh, wow. I love sweet. I have a sweet tooth. It has a really good sweetness
Yeah.
and then it's creamy.
I always like their texture of all their bread, fluffy, they're full of structure.
In Korea, we're all about how it's looking. They want to post it on their social media.
Yeah.
And Taiwanese bread, I think, is very local. And
Very simple.
how about Singaporean?
Singapore, because we are a multiracial society, so there's a lot of different races. Like maybe the Indians, they don't take beef. Maybe the Muslim, they can't take pork.
Exactly.
So for the normal or the franchise bakery, they try to do something that's local, but with more restriction. But they'll go more maybe with fruits.
Okay.
Like,
What is this? This is a peanut.
chopped peanuts powder with cream. It's like a more of a brioche dough, so it's more butter.
Brioche.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's a Chinese burger.
Wow. Yeah, it also has a cream. I want to know what's inside. Ooh.
You can try the egg tart.
Sure.
Because it's a very the custardy, but it's not that sweet.
It's not that sweet.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Yes.
Wow. Super crunchy. Wow.
Almost a croissant type of no, not the traditional pastry type of tart.
Wow. It's really crunchy.
Yeah. Because they are more of a structure like this.
So many layers.
Yeah.
Wow. So many layers. And then, as a grilling master, what's the difference in fire between baking bread and your own grilling?
Their fire is more of an oven type of fire.
Oven type of
But we use it as a live fire. We grill our thing right on top of the embers of the coals, but they use the radiation heat.
So you said you come to this restaurant to get a, what's it called?
Ciabatta. We use the ciabatta in our restaurant for the past, since day one actually. I've been using it for 6 years now.
6 years.
Into my restaurant. So I get to know this place through my friend. In my restaurant, I want to use a fresh bread. But I want to spend the time making my own bread. But so I wanted to work with a professional bakery that can get fresh every day instead of frozen stuff.
Exactly.
So he recommended me his ciabatta. Then I try it and I grill it. So I asked them to customize it for me.
Oh, you can customize it. Right?
Customize because I want it to be less cooked. That maybe 1 or 2 minutes before of the regular batch. Because in my restaurant, I will grill it just before I serve
final
it.
touch.
Yeah. So if it's ready done here. When I go, it will be burned easily.
So how do you know when it's cooked and ready to go?
Instinct.
Instinct.
Yes. That's what I'm here for.
Oh, I see. Hey chef, what a charming old street you brought me to.
I'm bringing you to the Searing Night Market. It's a very famous night market in Taipei. When I first came to Taiwan, I stayed here for 2 years.
Oh, I see.
Then I moved to nearer to my restaurant.
Wow. Oh.
You can smell the herb, bro. This is the restaurant.
Oh, is it right here? Oh, wow.
So this is the menu for today. They don't have a physical menu. Everything is on the wall.
Wow, I don't understand anything.
Yeah, I'll tell you. I trust it.
Okay.
一个炖凉排，然后一个炖的乐排，一个白饭，一个卤肉饭，然后一个餐厅菜。It's a very common combo you go for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why'd you pick this restaurant?
Because I used to just stay like 30 seconds from this restaurant. So every day when I come back after work, smell the herbs. So it makes me want to, let's go for a hot soup before I go up.
The reason why they put a lot of Chinese herb is
Yeah.
because to strengthen their
Qi,
energy.
The qi.
Okay.
Yeah,
And do you come here to get?
Yeah, during winter
fulfill
or
the energy?
autumn, even raining weather, I'll come here for the simple bowl of soup.
Oh, okay.
谢谢，谢谢。
And what is that? Oh, that's
Pork rib.
that's a pork rib.
That's
pork
the lamb
rib.
rib.
Cabbage, and that's
Braised pork rice.
pork rice.
You can try the soup first. Actually, the soup is all the same. They just used to braise different pot.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, the base is the same.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you enjoy it with the vegetables.
Wow. Whoa. I thought it was very medicine-y kind of taste, but it's actually it's not that heavy.
And it's very hearty.
Pakute?
Yes, bak kut teh.
Is it very similar to this dish?
I think
or-
it's very similar because it's just soup and pork
Yeah.
in general. For this, the more of a Chinese medicine. Singapore is more of a peppery.
Peppery.
White pepper.
White pepper.
pork soup if you want to. And then you can enjoy it with dough fritters, like they call it the yu tiao, sa yu tiao. And just dip it in the soup to soak up all the soup.
I see.
Fermented bean
Fermented bean
sauce. This is辣酱.
Because I'm a bit under weather right now, and then I think after this soup I'll feel much better. Because the weather is changing right now.
Yeah,
Wow, look at this. Some ginger, huh?
yeah.
So
You can
it-
also dip the meat into the sauce if you want.
Wow. This salsa doesn't taste too heavy, but it goes extremely well with the. Oh.
Sometimes I enjoy the soup using the spoon. It's so slow. Sometimes just
Oh yeah.
so you can get a.
Quicker.
Because the spoon is so slow.
Yeah. It took 8 hours for them to make this dish.
Yeah, 8 to 10 hours.
How many hours do you usually stay in front of the fire? Usually.
Like during service 4 or 5 in the
4 or
morning,
5
maybe
hours.
1 or 2.
And then how do you feel after 4 to 5 hours?
I need a beer.
Need a beer.
So
Wow.
it's better to enjoy using the bowl, not like using a spoon.
Different part of the meat.
So this is lamb. So every pot is a different, like the same base but different flavor. So sometimes they get the chicken flavor or the
flavor.
lamb flavor inside the soup.
It falls apart very quickly.
Yeah.
We actually do have galbitang or 감자탕, but we put a lot of vegetables. The way we approach the day after drinking heavy, but this is something that I can always strengthen my energy.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah. What is this dish then?
This
Tastes a
is
little
just a
bit-
normal brunch vegetable, cabbage
Oh, okay.
with local soy sauce.
Local soy
They call
sauce.
it 酱油膏,
酱油膏. Okay.
like a thick version of a soy sauce. You 来买单，他请我吃饭。
帅哥，也要请客哦。
我先付他的。
So you really like the soup just now?
Yeah, it was very satisfying. I feel so much better.
So for the next restaurant we are going, it's not actually a physical restaurant, like a pop-up store. Have you been to Hong Kong, like a Da Pai Tong?
Yeah.
So they do all the stir-fry dish.
Sure.
Whenever my off days, I'll be there.
You'll be
and
there.
ordering the same food every
Is it
time.
really that good?
Lamb rice, lamb fried rice, and
Wow.
a bowl of clam soup. During a rainy weather or winter, even in the summer, I like to add a lot of chili. Not like the Korean chili jokujang, but fresh chili into the fried rice.
Wow.
And I add some chili into the clam soup also.
Where is it?
Sorry, just 30 seconds.
30 seconds? Okay, let's place.
What?
Oh, it's here? It's this one?
I'm just here yesterday.
You were here yesterday?
Yeah.
They're closed. Chef, you didn't double check?
They don't have a telephone.
Chef, I'm still very hungry.
I'm so sorry.
What can you do?
But I promise you, your next meal is on me.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So hungry. You guys heard that? Okay. For those watching, comment below what did you like from today's video
And press the like button.
and subscribe to Taiwan Plus. Chef Nick recommended me to this restaurant, so I thought I must try. Hopefully it's open today. Hopefully it's open today. Ah! Yeah, it's open! 你好. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Finally here. So I remember Chef Nick recommended me.
Lamb rice, lamb fried rice, and
Wow.
a bowl of clam soup. I like to add a lot of chili.
But the thing is, I'm not really familiar with the Chinese characters. 热炒类，羊肉饭。Okay, 蛤蜊汤。Oh, 鸽子汤. What do I want to order? I'll order Kung Pao chicken. I'll order Kung Pao chicken. Let's go. Wow, look at that. It's very traditional. I believe these people, they come here at least for, I don't know, 10 years. Oh, yeah. Bravo. Wow. 好香. You can already tell it's gonna be good. Oh. So good. It's so good, man. It tastes like home. It tastes like my mom's fried rice. 老板，可以告诉我一下，这个是怎么炒的呢？有一个秘密吧？
就秘密啊，
秘密，这要怎么吃啊？
直接吃。
可以帮我夹一下吗？
怎么吃？
这样吃
按吃辣可以加辣椒。
哦，没关系啊。哇，好爽，好爽。Really spicy, but the meat itself is really tender, but it's really spicy. So, but you know where I'm from. It's nothing to me. Oh, it's nothing to me. Everybody, cheers. Whoa. Because Chef Nick always come here and put a lot of chilies, so I'm gonna bring some chilies.
这个 OK。
好 Let's go. Let's go. Oh, so spicy. Whoa. Whoa. I think I know why he asked me to put a lot of chilies. Getting so much stress from work. It's kind of like good stress reliever. It's really good. Oh. I think I'll definitely come back because look at, only have one bite left. Thank you guys for watching. Comment below and subscribe to Taiwan Plus. Before coming to Taiwan, you have to think twice because you gain weight, like me. Oh, but I love Taiwan though. Oh, the food here is amazing.